So horizontal and vertical lines. First thing I'm going to do is just provide some kind of y-axis and provide some kind of x-axis. The first thing is we are asked to draw the following lines. We're asked to draw x equals to 5 and y equals to negative 2. Amazingly, these are actually full lines. If I got y equals mx plus c, then in this particular equation, x is going to be equal to 1, all right, y is going to be equal to, let's say, 5, and c is equal to 0, which will end up as the equation x equals 5, or you could say c is equal to negative 5, y is equal to 1, and m is equal to 1, and if you rearrange this, you can see x is equal to 5, given that y is 0. But y is definitely 0 because for the equation x equals to 5, we're saying that no matter where you are on the Cartesian plane, it will always be x equals to 5, which means it will be like 5 and 6, let's say here. This is 5 and 5, 5 and 4, 5 and 3, 5 and 2, etc. 5 and 1 until you get to 5 and 0, which is actually the x-axis. In other words, the line x equals to 5 is a vertical line. It's a vertical line that goes straight through 5. Okay, so I've got a vertical line that goes straight through 5. That's x equals to 5. And we call the line x equals to 5. That's the name of the line. Let's label this y-axis, and this is my x-axis. So this is vertical always, x, which means y is going to be horizontal. It's going to be flat. In this case, y is equal to negative 2. Y is equal to 0 here. It's positive all the way above, and it's negative all the way down. If I want to find negative 2, it's going to lie in this region over here somewhere. So I'm going to now draw that line through there, like that. And that's going to be now going through that. I call this line y equals to negative 2. And obviously, they're going to intersect at the point 5 and negative 2. That will be the point of intersection. 0 is my central point of it. So this is the horizontal and vertical lines. Remember, horizontal is y equals to some letter, let's call it b, and vertical is x equals to some letter, let's say a. Let's look at another example. Suppose we ask for y equals to 34 and x equals to 28. I grab my x's, and it looks like they're both in the positive space. I don't need the negative space that much. And just by sketching this, let's label this y, let's label this x. 34 is more than 28. So if I make 28, let's say over here, roughly around the same spot would be 34. And what I then do is draw my lines. Horizontal line, remember that's y, and vertical line, x, vertical line, x. And we label it after that. This is going to be y equals to 34, and x equals to 28. And we remember that if they do intersect, we can label the intersection point as 28 and 34. All right.